Have you ever felt like the years slipped by and the opportunities you thought were meant for you are forever lost? What if I told you that the universe can restore everything you've believed was wasted? It's not too late. You're about to discover how the universe works in mysterious ways to bring you back to your true path. No matter how much time has passed, stay with me, because the secrets I'm about to share could change everything. This is your moment of renewal. In the quiet stillness of the night, when the world slows down, many find themselves reflecting on the years that have passed, the opportunities lost, and the paths never taken. It is in these moments of introspection that the universe whispers, reminding us that nothing is ever truly lost. Time, like the cosmic flow of energy, is in constant motion, and what seems like missed opportunities are merely waiting for the right moment to return. The universe has a way of restoring what once felt out of reach. It offers us unexpected moments of clarity, and with it, a chance to realign. As we align with the flow of the universe, we begin to see that what was once out of our grasp is slowly making its way back into our lives. Through this process, the universe doesn't simply hand us what we desire. It asks if we are truly prepared. Sometimes, before abundance can flow freely into our lives, we must face moments of uncertainty and even struggle. These aren't obstacles, but opportunities for us to strengthen our inner resilience. Imagine standing at the crossroads of your life, realizing that what you've been seeking isn't something to chase, but something that is always present, waiting for you to recognize it. The universe is simply giving you time to prepare, to heal, to grow. Through introspection and acceptance, what once seemed lost can be restored. And as we walk this path of restoration, we begin to feel the transformation within. Every challenge we face becomes a lesson in resilience, a step towards spiritual connection. The universe speaks to us through these challenges, urging us to grow, to expand. It is through these moments that we find our alignment with the flow of life, discovering our true selves in the process. The universe is always ready to restore, to renew, and to bring back the abundance that is rightfully ours. This process of renewal doesn't happen overnight, but with each day, the universe's blessings find their way back to us. Perhaps you've felt this yourself. Those moments when, despite the struggles, you can sense that something bigger is at play. You may not fully understand it yet, but the signs are there, guiding you toward your abundance and inner peace. It's in these subtle nudges that you begin to trust in the process of restoration. And with this trust comes a clarity you've never known before. Ready for the next step? The universe has more to reveal, and you are only scratching the surface. Have you ever felt lost, disconnected from who you really are? I created 3 transformative ebooks to help you reconnect with your true essence. Click on the link in the pinned comment and begin your transformation now. Have you ever found yourself at the edge of despair, feeling as if hope was slipping through your fingers? In those moments of uncertainty, when the weight of the world presses heavily on your chest, the universe offers its quiet reminder: renewal is always possible. Just as a seed buried in the soil waits for the right moment to sprout, so too does the potential for new beginnings reside within you. Every challenge, every setback is a chance for you to let go of what no longer serves you and open yourself to a fresh start. The universe never withholds, but instead offers opportunities for transformation. In these moments, you are not alone. There is a greater force at work, guiding you toward the restoration of your spirit. It is easy to forget that life is cyclical, that there are moments when we must shed old skins to reveal a brighter, more powerful version of ourselves. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, nudges us toward this evolution, showing us that renewal is not just a possibility, but an inherent part of the cycle of life. It whispers to us in the quiet moments, encouraging us to embrace the process of letting go, whether it be old beliefs, habits, or even relationships that no longer align with our highest potential. This is not a punishment, but a sacred invitation to step into something new, something more in tune with our soul's purpose. In times of transition, when the road ahead seems uncertain, it is hope that becomes our guiding light. Hope is not a passive wish, but an active force that propels us forward. When we believe that change is not only possible, but inevitable, we find the strength to keep moving. Every challenge, no matter how daunting, becomes a stepping stone on the path of spiritual growth. By embracing hope, we begin to see that these challenges are not barriers, but the universe's way of preparing us for the abundance that awaits. Hope, in its purest form, is the belief that no matter how difficult the journey may seem, the destination is always worth it. As we navigate this journey of renewal, we begin to understand that the universe does not offer us the easiest path, but the one that is best suited for our growth. When we align ourselves with the flow of life, we start to see opportunities for restoration in the most unexpected places. What once seemed like a setback becomes an opportunity to build something stronger and more resilient. With each step, we come closer to the version of ourselves that we are destined to become, a version that is fully aligned with our purpose. The journey of renewal is not always easy, but it is always worth it. And as we continue to trust in the process, we discover that the universe has more in store for us than we could have ever imagined. Did you enjoy the content and it made a difference for you? Click on Super Thanks and support our work. When everything seems to be falling apart and the weight of the world feels too heavy, hope is the light that shines through the cracks, urging you to keep moving forward. It's easy to lose sight of hope when we are faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges. But if you look closely, hope is always there, like the faintest flicker of light in the darkest room, waiting to guide you. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, plants this light within us, reminding us that no matter how difficult the path may seem, there is always a way forward. Hope isn't about ignoring the struggles, it's about seeing beyond them, trusting that each step you take brings you closer to something greater. Hope gives us the courage to face the unknown. It doesn't promise an easy journey, but it assures us that we are capable of overcoming what lies ahead. In the most difficult of times, when you feel like giving up, hope whispers that the obstacles before you are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. These moments, though painful, are the universe's way of helping you grow, preparing you for the abundance that is on its way. Hope keeps us connected to the belief that there is more to life than what we can see right now. It is the inner knowing that transformation is on the horizon. In every challenge, there is an opportunity for growth, and it is through hope that we find the strength to embrace these opportunities. Without hope, we might retreat into fear or despair, but with hope, we find resilience. This resilience is the foundation for all transformations. It's what keeps us going when everything seems to be falling apart. It's the fire within us that refuses to be extinguished. As we cultivate hope in our lives, we find ourselves becoming stronger, more aligned with our spiritual purpose. We learn that the difficulties we face are not here to break us, but to shape us into the beings we are meant to be. So when you face your next challenge, hold on to hope with both hands. Let it be your guiding star, the beacon that helps you navigate through the darkness. Remember, hope isn't just a passive feeling. It's a powerful force that moves mountains when we choose to believe in its potential. It is in our darkest moments that hope reveals its greatest strength, guiding us towards resilience, towards transformation, and ultimately towards the abundance that the universe has always had in store for us. With hope, there are no limits, only endless possibilities. In the chaos of daily life, it can feel like the world is constantly pulling us in different directions. But what if you could find a place of stillness amidst the storm? A place where your mind is clear, your heart is at peace, and your soul is aligned with the universe's flow. This is the power of alignment, the ability to synchronize your inner being with the cosmic rhythms of life. When you align with your true self, with the energy of the universe, you create a harmony that allows you to navigate even the most challenging moments with grace. Inner peace is not the absence of chaos, but the ability to remain calm and centered despite it. To align with the universe, you must first understand the importance of balance. Just as the earth spins in perfect harmony, so too must you find your balance within. This alignment isn't about forcing things to fit, but about allowing yourself to flow with the natural rhythms of the universe. It requires patience, trust, and a deep understanding that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. When you stop fighting against the current and allow yourself to be guided, you begin to experience a profound peace that transcends the external world. This peace is not something that can be found outside of you. It is already within, waiting to be discovered. True alignment doesn't just bring inner peace. It opens the door to abundance, blessings, and opportunities. When you are aligned with your higher purpose, the universe responds with synchronicities and opportunities that you once thought impossible. Alignment is not about controlling the outcome, but about trusting that the universe has already paved the way. By releasing the need to force things, you open yourself to the flow of life and the endless possibilities it holds. In this space, everything becomes easier. Manifestations happen with greater ease, financial stability finds its way to you, and love and connection naturally follow. The journey of alignment is not always straightforward. There will be moments of doubt, of confusion, and of challenge. But each of these moments is a part of the process, a test of your commitment to staying true to yourself and your spiritual path. As you continue to trust, to surrender, and to realign, you will discover that the peace you seek is not somewhere far off in the future, but right here, within you. The universe is always supporting you, guiding you toward your highest good. And when you align with that energy, you step into your true power, creating a life of balance, abundance, and deep inner peace. Every new beginning is a chance to transform, an invitation from the universe to evolve into a version of yourself that you have yet to fully discover. Stepping into something new often feels intimidating, but this is precisely when growth happens. It's not about leaving behind everything you've known, but about embracing the opportunities that lie ahead. New beginnings, no matter how daunting they may seem, carry the potential to align you with a deeper sense of purpose. The universe gently nudges you to take those first steps, reminding you that growth often begins in moments of uncertainty. Growth, however, is rarely comfortable. Much like a seed breaking through the soil to reach the light, you must push through your old patterns and fears to uncover the potential that lies within. The discomfort you feel during these transitions is not a sign of failure, but a natural part of the process. It is through these moments of stretching beyond what you know that you become stronger, more resilient, and more attuned to the person you are meant to become. With each new beginning, you have the chance to shed the old and create something more aligned with your soul's true calling. In embracing new beginnings, you also discover strengths you never knew you had. The universe's plan for you may take unexpected turns, but each challenge you face is a lesson designed to help you grow. Even when the road ahead feels uncertain, know that every obstacle you encounter is helping to shape you. These moments push you toward expansion, guiding you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the life you are meant to live. With every step, the more you trust in the process, the more you align with your higher self. Ultimately, growth is a continuous, evolving journey. Each new beginning you encounter offers a chance to open yourself up to endless possibilities and transformation. The universe is always providing opportunities for renewal, but it's up to you to recognize them and act. When you allow yourself to fully embrace the power of new beginnings, you create a life filled with alignment, abundance, and deep, lasting growth. You begin to understand that this journey is not about reaching a destination, but about the transformation that takes place every step of the way. Now that you know the universe is always ready to restore what you thought was lost, it's time to take action. Reflect on your own life. What opportunities have you overlooked or abandoned? Trust that they're still there, waiting for your alignment. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. What will you do today to open yourself up to this restoration? If you found this message meaningful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your journey of transformation is just beginning. Now that you know how the universe can restore what was lost, imagine unlocking even greater potential by thinking beyond the present moment. What if you could harness the power of the past, present, and future all at once to reshape your reality? In our next video, we'll dive into how four-dimensional thinking can transform your life and spark a whole new level of creativity and growth. Stay tuned. It's time to expand your mind.